So if you would like to see how this Nashville trip turned out, watch this video. We got another one, Trent. Oh, snap, it's just...
Hey, buddy. Hey.
You guys want to see what Tesla owners do when another Tesla pulls up the charge? Like, it's like a thing to just stare and just see what their Tesla has. Ours is wrapped in KPMF, matte frozen, whatever, something, so it's sick. He's staring.
Basic white 3.
He's
Nothing
staring.
special.
Yeah, so if you didn't know, this is a Tesla thing. We all look at each other. It's so weird. Just weird. I don't know why we do it.
Everybody just kind of checks out whatever the other person has done to their car. Whether it's wheels, or a wrap, or I don't know. Or who has the most money in this parking spots.
Alright guys, so Trent and we are in Nashville, Tennessee. We are doing a wrap on a pontoon boat. The business is called Pontoon Saloon. It's a very cool and fun, exciting thing to do if you're in the Nashville area. Just kind of as it sounds, it's literally a bar on a boat. You go out, see the city. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
So I'll post all of that in the description, but definitely if you're in the Nashville area, check it out. Alright, so we've got a few pieces of the boat left. One being this piece right here. Here's Trent.